Thank you, thank you. Afternoon, everybody. Been asked to open this new venture today, and I think it's a great new initiative by two brothers who are actually starting this today. I think it's actually really good in terms of what is happening around Fiji with respect to the pandemic, etc. People being innovative with new ideas in terms of how to do business. I understand that the twins are involved in actual construction business, but because of the downturn in the economy, they've decided to venture into this micro enterprise, which is this food truck. This is a great example to anybody around Fiji that wants to start a small business, and this is an innovative way of doing business at the moment. And I wish the twins well, all the success in their business. I hope you all enjoy the food. And as I said, for the rest of Fiji, this is a great example of the innovative way of thinking that's required for everybody to survive. Thank you very much. Nawalevu.
Order number 31.